Hello everyone, welcome to this demo session on human resource management. Today we will dive into one of the most fundamental and impactful topic in HR, recruitment and selection. This process play a crucial role in building a productive and competent workforce and hence directly contribute to organizational success. To begin with, let's understand the basic definition. Recruitment is the process of identifying, attracting, and encouraging potential candidates to apply for a job. It is all about generating a pool of qualified candidates. Selection, on the other hand, is the process of choosing the most suitable candidate from this pool. While recruitment brings people in, selection filter and choose the right one. An efficient recruitment. Now, why is it important? Means important of recruitment and selection. An efficient recruitment and selection process lead to many benefits. Firstly, it helps in hiring the right talent who fits both the job and the company culture. Secondly, it reduces employee turnover by ensuring the right fit. It also enhances productivity and job satisfaction, ultimately leading to improved organizational performance. And the recruitment objectives is to strategic alignment, enhance efficiency, improve quality of hires, create a diverse space, give a competitive edge. So it is very important to selecting the right one from the pool of the candidate. Now will be tell about the recruitment process. Recruitment process is from identifying the vacancy to attracting candidates. It is a strategic approach. The recruitment process generally involves the five key steps. One, identifying the job vacancy, and now the second one is conducting job analysis to understand role, sourcing suitable candidates, advertising the vacancy, and finally receiving applications. This entire process aims to attract a wide and relevant pool of candidates. Full cycle of recruiting in just 6 steps. So we can understand the recruitment process in 6 steps is easily. The main is a 5 step, but this is the wide explanation of this process. First one is the preparing. Vacancy intake, hiring manager, write a job description and create job adverts from the official and the professional like the LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, like the social media marketing platform where we can alert the students and the say the candidate who will need a job for the perfect fit from our vacancy. The next one is the sourcing. Source candidates, check existing talent pool, keep hiring manager informed. Screening resume. Resume is one of the best and it is a first step to selecting the candidates. Phone screening and give realistic job preview. And the selecting process, hiring and onboarding. Stay in touch during pre-boarding. Check the in regularly during onboarding, inform hiring manager where necessary. Now we come to the source of recruitment. Source of recruitment. Recruitment can be done through two main sources, internal and external. Internal sources include promotion, transfer, or employee referral. These are cost effective and boost employee morale. External resources involve campus recruitment, job portal recruitment, agency, or social media. They bring in fresh perspective and diverse talent. A good recruitment assist strategy balance both internal and as well as external. Some internal sources are that like we can describe in this image like previous applicants, present employee referrals के through former employees. External means to advertisement from the social media platforms and the professional platforms of most popular platform is LinkedIn, campus recruitment from off campus and the on campus for the college students, e-recruitments, employee exchange, walk-in and write-ins, contracts, acquisition and mergers, professional association, mergers and acquisitions. Now come to the selection process. Selection is more structured and focused. It typically involves 7 steps. Screening of resume and application. Conducting interview to assess skills and personality. Administration test to evaluate aptitude or technical knowledge. Checking reference to verify background and offering the job to the best suited candidate. Each step helps narrow down the best fit for the organization. Some key steps in selection process: the prelims interview, screening applications, receiving application, then the screening application, फिर जो है हमारा prelims test है, and then employment interview, checking reference, medical examination, and the final selection and for the fit candidates from the pool. Now come to the very important topic: challenge in recruitment and selection. Lack of skilled applicants, high competition, and bias can hinder recruitment. Despite the structured process, there are some challenges. For instance, a shortage of skilled candidates. Yes, I will talk to the previous one and describe in the slide mostly, and increase competition in the job market, unconsistent bias and selection, and sometimes high recruitment cost. Overcoming these challenges requires strategic planning and the use of technology like applicant tracking system ATS that can be used for shortlisting the resume in very easy way, and the work of the HR can be reduced. Now come to the next slide: tips for effective hiring. To make recruitment and selection more effective, here are a few best practices. A tip to be a successful recruiter: good at multitasking, relationship building skills, listening skills is the most important. To listen carefully the candidate's needs, wants, and perspective. Time management skill, adaptability, patience, pay attention to the details, and target driven. Write clear and detailed job description in the post. Use structure and unbiased interview method. Focus on candidate experience. Promote diversity and inclusion. These practice ensure fairness and help in attracting top talent for the organization. Now come to the next slide: role of HR in recruitment and selection. HR professionals act as strategic partner in recruitment and selection. They ensure that the hiring process aligns with organizational goals. HR also ensure that the process is legally compliant, unbiased, and effective. Their role is not just operational but strategic, contributing to the long-term success of the company. The HR professionals ensure fair, transparent, and effective recruitment process and play a very important role for any company growth. Now come to the last slides. Recruitment and selection help building the right team and support business goal. This is our conclusion of today's demonstration. In conclusion, recruiting and selecting are much more than just filling vacancy. They are about bringing the right people on board who can grow with the company. A tell and well executing process create a foundation for a strong and motivated workforce. Thank you for listening. I hope this session gave you valuable insights into the crucible HR function. Thank you again.